What's up, everybody? It is me, Michael McCune, coming at you with another video. Today I'm bringing you a review, and the cemetery's coming up. I'm gonna have to need gas money, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit for each one of those, but that's alright. You know, we'll get them done. If you guys enjoy these reviews, like, share, comment, subscribe. Funny thing about this review is I'm a little kind of pissed off right now. But it's alright, you know, we'll get over it. But shout out to Jess, Ethan, Dom, Tyler, Jay, Slice, if I'm saying that right, Slice, I'm sorry, bro. I'm not really good with names at all, dude. But appreciate you so much, brother. Really do. Shout out to some of the customers in there that I've met, you know, John and Noah, and, you know, shout out to y'all. But yeah, so I said Tyler too, I think, yeah. So, but anyways, it was gonna be a special review, but kind of fucked it up. Hopefully I can find the other one, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So this is Ghost Series Flying Horse, 3 flavors in one. One of the carts I lost in the fucking car. I looked everywhere in this fucking car, and I looked super good, as good as I could under the seats. I know that's where it fell. And I'm like, what the fuck, man? But, you know, this ain't gonna be no rant video, so I'm not gonna be rant. So it was the last one I got, too. Buddy in the store got the other one. And even if they did have any more, I couldn't purchase these carts separately. Because it's a kit. So I would have to buy the whole kit again. And this is like $74.99. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I still have 2 strains, 2 carts. Fucking bummer, man, really is. But it is what it is. So, but anyways, 10,500 milligrams, 3 pods plus 1 battery, preheat. So there was supposed to be 3 carts, and there was. Took out this other thing, by the way, separator. I should, next time I'm gonna keep the separator. I think I still have it, but next time I'm just gonna put these suckers in so they don't fall out, you know, because that's what happened probably. But it came with Ultra FH Indica. That's the one I lost, my fucking Indica, one of my most important ones for night. Grease Monkey Hybrid, I still have that, plus Rose Sherbet Sativa, I have that. Preheat instruction: plug and unplug the pod twice continuously in 2 seconds to preheat the pod for 15 seconds. Unplug the pod or vape to stop preheating. So never heard, there's usually a button you just double hit, click twice, but alright, I'm putting this one back in the box so I don't fucking fall out. So this is the pod itself. And I apologize, you know, this video, I was excited, man. I was excited for this, but shit happens, you know. But hopefully I'll find it in this damn car. It'll come up somewhere, but anyways, now I'm gonna have to do one of these at a time now. Or I could just do both of these. And if I find the hybrid, I'll make that a separate video. So yeah, guys, I don't know. I'm just gonna do one for each video because it's a whole cart, or 3 different carts. So anyways, it's a hybrid. It goes in like that, by the way. When it goes in, it vibrates, you know, so. Uh, oh, shit. This shit is strong, yo. Wow. I don't know if this is stronger than. It's between this or Blaze, man. I'm at. I mean, what the fuck? Can't even talk. But I don't know. I'm not comparing this to the Blaze at all, but this shit's better, I think. Shit. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. This flying horse is kicking me in the ass right now. What is this? Oh, it's the hybrid. So it's the Indica I lost. Yeah, I said that already, yeah. Open the door a little bit. Not trying to hotbox my car, so. I'd be too fried to even go home. I'd have to probably wait a couple hours. But yeah, it kind of sucks that I lost it, but what are you gonna do about it, right? But hopefully I do find it. There's a few probably spots I can't get to, you know, without a tool or something, so it went somewhere. I'm starting to think there was a hole in the car and it went right into the floor hole. But yeah. This is a good ass hybrid. Really, really good. I give this like a 10 out of 10, man. Grease Monkey. Pretty damn greasy for sure. But anyways, guys, I apologize for the rant, you know. I wasn't really ranting. earlier I was pissed. Like, I was cussing and shit, but it cooled down, so I was getting mad for there a few seconds, and I just remind myself, what, there's nothing I can do about it, so but anyways, yeah, guys, take a few more hits of this and move on. I'm getting an energized vibe from this. I'm about to go take me a little walk, you know, probably not too far, but take a little walk. That's what I feel like doing right now, actually. Kind of getting that relax a little bit vibe. Right now I'm getting the sativa more than the indica right now, so probably later down on, the indica's gonna come in. So. Makeup kit design, fucking mirrored looking, like what the fuck? Oh well. But hopefully I find that hybrid, I mean not hybrid, the indica for y'all. I'm gonna check one place. Okay. They're not there. It's not there, I mean. But yeah, guys, a smooth hit too. I'm an asthmatic, so that's why I'm coughing to it. I don't, but usually when I'm smoking it for a few times, I quit coughing, you know, getting used to it, like doing a bunch of hits, you know. But let's see, I'm in a chill mood right now. I'm social kind of right now. Like I want to be around a group of friends or a friend, you know, chill out. I do feel relaxed, so I do feel the indica already coming in from the first couple hits I took from the beginning of this video. I know I was talking a lot in this video and not about the details, but it's basically all the details, so you have to watch 14 minutes and 18 seconds to I don't know, like in the 13-minute vibe area. That's, if you want to skip to that, that's when I say the details. So I tried to talk about them in the beginning of the video, like towards the middle. I think each gram has each pod has 3 grams, by the way. I wonder, whoa, the blaze. I forget, what was the milligrams of the Blaze again? Let me know in the comments below the video, or I could just go watch it. Yeah, it looks like it's like 3 grams. Shit. I am fried. Alright, y'all. One more and I'm out of here, so. Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So, love you guys to death. Hope you guys enjoyed this crazy review, whatever, rant, whatever I did, but it wasn't, I got mad for like 5 seconds, and then I was like, calm down, Michael. It's just a damn cart. I'll always be able to buy more, you know? If I can't find it. I'm going to try to find it, though, really. But, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Love you all so much. Peace out.